In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to a page in Notion. If you've been using Notion to organize your projects, manage tasks, or even just for personal note-taking, you know how powerful it can be. One of the things that make Notion so versatile is its ability to customize pages with properties, allowing you to tailor your workspace to fit your specific needs. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide to adding those all-important properties to your pages. First, you'll want to open the database where your page is located. This could be a table, board, list, or gallery view, depending on how you've set up your workspace. Each page in your database can hold valuable information, and properties help you define and store this information more effectively. Next, look to the far right of the database columns. You'll notice a small plus button there. Clicking this button is one of the quickest ways to add a new property to your page. Alternatively, you can also select the Add Property option from the drop-down menu if that's more convenient for you. Both options will lead you to the same next step. Once you've chosen to add a property, you'll be prompted to enter a name for this new property. It's essential to choose a name that clearly reflects the kind of information you'll be storing here. For instance, if you're organizing tasks, you might add properties like deadline or priority. After naming your property, you'll need to choose the type that best suits the kind of data you plan to capture. Notion offers a variety of property types to choose from. For general text input, you might go for the text type. If you're dealing with numerical data, you might select number. Other options include status for workflow stages, select and multi-select for categorical data, date for deadlines or event dates, and person for assigning tasks. There's also checkbox for yes/no data, URL for linking resources, relation for linking other database entries, and formula for custom calculations. Once you've selected the appropriate property type, you'll press Enter to create it. This action will add your newly defined property to every page within that database. And there you have it. You've successfully added a property to your Notion database. Now each page can carry this customized piece of information, allowing you to organize, sort, and filter your data more efficiently. Taking the time to thoughtfully add and configure properties will greatly enhance your productivity and make your Notion workspace a powerful tool catered entirely to your needs. Experiment with different property types. And remember, you can always modify or remove properties if your needs change. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Notion tips and tricks.